Some homes have nice views, others live on the water. Today, I'm taking you inside a newer luxury riverfront home here in Silverton, Oregon, on a setting that rarely becomes available. But what truly makes this property stand out is what's happening behind the home. Direct river frontage gives you a level of privacy and natural beauty that simply can't be replicated with traditional neighborhood lots. And the location is just as compelling. You're here in Silverton, one of Oregon's most charming small towns, known for its historic downtown, strong sense of community, and close proximity to Silver Falls State Park.